All right, let's dive into the process of creating a freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve 18. It's a straightforward procedure, so let's break it down step by step. First off, if you haven't imported your media onto your timeline yet, here's how to do it. Click on File in the top left menu bar, then navigate to Import and select Media. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+Y on PC or Command+I on Mac. Once you've located your footage, double-click or select Open to place it into the media pool. Next, click and drag your media onto video track 1 on your timeline. If you don't want the audio, simply select it and press the backspace key to remove it. To make the process easier, let's expand the timeline by clicking the Zoom In button, allowing for more precise frame selection. Now select the Blade tool or press B, then find the frame where you want the freeze frame to start by dragging the playhead across the preview screen. Click on the video to create a cut. Move the playhead forward by 1 frame using the right arrow key, then make another cut using the Blade tool. Now, right-click on the middle part of the video and select Change Clip Speed. Choose Freeze Frame and click Change. Currently, the freeze frame is only visible for 1 frame, so let's adjust its duration. Zoom out slightly, then drag the last section of the video to the right to create a gap. Hover over the right side of the freeze frame until you see a symbol, then click and drag it to reconnect with the third clip. Once it snaps into place, play back the video to enjoy the cool freeze frame effect seamlessly integrated into your footage. And there you have it. Creating a freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve 18 is simple and effective. Thanks for watching.